In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your baby's diaper. Hey, it's Morgan here with Passable Parent, where we help you improve developmental outcomes. I've been a pediatric nurse for the past 10 years, specializing in early childhood development, and I'm also a mom. Before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos or content. Thank you so much, I appreciate your support. Now, diving right into it, how to change a baby's diaper. This is the #1 most Googled question by new parents. First, this is a mom hack that I learned being a parent myself. You always want to place the new diaper down underneath of the old diaper. This just helps with keeping things cleaner and avoiding big messes. You also want to pull the clothes all the way up or out of the danger zone. This will save you from a lot of laundry. So when it comes to girl babies, you want to clean within all their folds. So you want to make sure you're getting in between their thighs and everything else, and you're cleaning the entire area. You also want to make sure that when you're wiping a baby girl, you always wipe from front to back. This is to make sure that you're not pushing any feces, bacteria into your baby's urethra or vagina area. That could cause a UTI or an infection. When it comes to changing a baby boy, you want to make sure that you're cleaning within all the folds as well, their thighs. You also want to make sure that you're cleaning around and underneath of a baby boy's testicles. And especially when your baby is a newborn, you want to make sure that you point your baby boy's penis downward before putting on a new diaper. That way they don't have any accidents. That way the pee doesn't leak out of their diaper. And if your baby boy is circumcised, you want to make sure you're following your doctor's instructions on how to care for that circumcision site. For both baby boy and baby girls, you want to make sure that you're always applying a diaper rash cream. This is especially important in the beginning when your baby's skin is not used to the outside world and it's not used to this prolonged wetness or sitting in diapers. Their skin is just so new, and the diaper rash cream creates a great barrier between the wetness, poop and pee, and it protects their skin and it avoids those diaper rashes. You want to be applying this diaper rash cream with every diaper change, especially at bedtime or when exposure to wet diapers may be prolonged. I personally love Desitin diaper rash cream. I love the Desitin maximum strength in the purple packaging, as you can see. This is my #1 go-to diaper rash cream, and I feel like it works the best in the beginning. Once your baby is a little bit older, I also really like the organic Earth Mama diaper balm. Some other tips for changing your baby's diaper. I also really like water wipes. They're a great wipe and they're not harsh. They don't contain any fragrances and they're mostly made of water. This is a great wipe in the beginning. Another helpful tip or hack for those diaper changes is, if you can, get some of these blue pads. They sell them on Amazon, and I'll link all of these things down below. These are great, especially for on the go. You can shove some of these in your diaper bag and they basically fold apart, and you can just lay baby on the pad for those diaper changes and just throw away after each diaper change. It will save you so much laundry. If you're looking for a reusable diaper changing pad, I recommend one such as this from Cloud Island, which it's actually not just cloth or fabric one. It's made of sort of like a vinyl type material. That way you can just wipe it down if there's any messes. Especially in the beginning, those diaper changes are really messy. And I know there's a lot of really cute changing pads out there with all kinds of cute designs and prints, but unless it's made of a material like this that you can easily wipe it down, it really just becomes a headache over time. My favorite brand of diapers is Pampers Swaddlers. Here's some tips when it comes to your diapers. So first off, there's a yellow line that runs down the front of most brands of diapers, and that is a wet indicator. When your baby pees or goes to the bathroom, this yellow line will turn to blue. All right, so I poured some water on the diaper to demonstrate for you. And as you can see, the line has turned blue. Our wetness indicator is now blue. It's really important to remember that, especially for baby girls, you want to check the line in the back because their pee tends to seep more towards the back of the diaper. Another tip for those diaper changes, most diapers have these really awesome yellow tabs to fasten the diaper to your baby. Now, these yellow tabs also match up with this diaper line indicator. This will help you know if your baby is sizing out of a diaper or getting too big for a certain size diaper. As soon as this tab goes past this line and you can't fasten it any tighter around baby, you know that it's ready to size up. The next tip I have for you, which will help avoid messes and to make sure there's no leaking in those diapers, is you always want to make sure the ruffle part of the diaper is out. There's this little line of almost like ruffled material in the diaper, and this should never be tucked in. It should always be tucked out. That will prevent any leaking. Another tip I have for you for diaper changes, especially as your baby starts to get older, they become a little bit more challenging because your baby starts moving around a lot more. You want to make sure you're distracting your baby during diaper changes. Maybe give them a little toy ball or those little links they can play with and break apart with their hands. I'll link all these items down below. And then as your baby gets a little bit older, you can offer them a book such as this one that they can flip through with both their little hands, practice those fine motor skills. They have lots of little books like this that they sell that your baby can look at, and it'll keep them distracted during those diaper changes and make it a lot easier for caregivers trying to change the diapers. And another thing that's really important to mention during these diaper changes is that if you're using a diaper changing table or you have your baby up on a higher surface to change those diapers, you want to make sure that you're never walking away from your baby. So many accidents and injuries happen when baby falls off of diaper changing tables or higher surfaces. It just takes 1 second, one time to look away or go to get something, and baby can fall right off the table. So please make sure your eyes and your hands are on baby at all times during diaper changes. I hope this video was helpful and informative. Thank you so much for joining me. Make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos or content. Do all things pregnancy, postpartum, and early childhood development. Thank you so much for your time today, and I can't wait to see you next time.